Jonathan, this is a great day for me again. Knowing you for so many years, you are just improving every time. I'm astonished at your knowledge and the way you just progress and the way you just give out, not gaining anything about it, just to have so many people knowing about this going on in our environment. I'm so grateful for this day. I'm so glad I came, and just keep on with your good work. We appreciate you, and I take my hat off for you. Jonathan, it was a great morning being with you to learn more about your One World strategy. It is the way you put it out this morning and talk about the whole environment and what we do wrong. It was an eye-opener. It's what I've got in mind, but you just give me so much more input to go and take out there to people that I'm talking about. You gave me such a lot of information, lots of detail, and I'm going out a better person just by going through this with you.